What if the universe isn't chaotic, but instead built upon a beautiful, hidden blueprint? Imagine if ancient symbols held the key to unlocking the very fabric of reality. Prepare to see the world not as you know it, but as a meticulously designed masterpiece. Welcome back to Inner Flame 101, where we ignite your curiosity and explore the deeper truths woven into existence. The blueprint of existence. Today, we're diving into what some call the secret code of the universe, sacred geometry. It's the ancient understanding that specific geometric patterns repeat throughout existence, serving as the fundamental foundation for all things. This isn't just art or math, it's a language. The very language reality speaks. And by learning to read it, we gain profound insight into why the cosmos takes the form it does. And that brings up the big question. What if ancient civilizations, from the Mayans to the Egyptians, knew something we've forgotten about reality's true beautiful nature? From micro to macro, universal patterns. Let's start with the most famous pattern of all, the golden ratio, or phi. This is the mathematically perfect proportion, approximately 1.618, which creates the beautiful endless spiral of the Fibonacci sequence. Look closely. You can see this spiral in the structure of a sunflower seed head, the curling of a nautilus shell, the swirl of a hurricane, and even the majestic arms of a spiral galaxy. From micro to macro, the universe is obsessed with this perfect, self-similar design. Then we have the Platonic Solids, the 5 perfect three-dimensional shapes: the tetrahedron, cube, octahedron, dodecahedron, and icosahedron. Ancient philosophers theorized these were the fundamental building blocks of matter itself, representing earth, air, fire, water, and the ether. These aren't just abstract ideas. These patterns manifest in crystals, in the architecture of your very own DNA, and in the fluid dynamics of storms. You are, quite literally, a walking expression of sacred geometry. Ancient wisdom, modern applications. The ancients didn't just observe these patterns, they built with them. Look at the design principles behind the Parthenon, Gothic cathedrals, or the Great Pyramids. They used phi and other sacred ratios to imbue their creations with a sense of innate, divine harmony. But it's in the mystical symbols where the deepest wisdom resides. We're talking about the flower of life, the matrix of creation, the vesica piscis, the universal womb, and Metatron's cube, said to contain the blueprint of all reality. Beyond the beautiful design, many believe these patterns hold powerful spiritual and energetic properties. Working with these shapes, meditating on them, or even just having them in your environment is thought to bring harmony and raise your energetic frequency. If you're enjoying this journey into the universe's secret design, take a moment to hit that like button. It tells YouTube to share this powerful knowledge with more curious minds like yours. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to Inner Flame 101 and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Practical perceptions. How to see the patterns. Now for the most important part. How can you start seeing this tapestry for yourself? It begins with a simple guided visual exercise. Next time you are outside, consciously relax your vision. Don't look at a thing, but through it. Look at a tree, a flower, or a spider web. Ask yourself, where is the repeating pattern? Where is the symmetry? You can even explore with simple tools, a compass and straight edge to draw the patterns yourself, or a digital design app. The act of creation is the act of discovery. This is about far more than shapes. It's about transforming your perception of reality. Once you start seeing the design, the world will no longer look random. It will look like a meticulously structured, living, breathing masterpiece. The cosmic tapestry unveiled. Sacred geometry is the unifying power, the ultimate intersection of science, spirituality, and art. It is the reminder that we are all, at our core, part of one perfect, interconnected design. We've only scratched the surface of this profound topic. Use this video as your spark. Dig deeper. Research the meaning of the symbols that resonate with you most. Thank you for journeying with me today and igniting your inner flame. If you found a new way to look at the world, let me know in the comments. What geometric pattern do you plan to spot first? Until next time, keep your curiosity bright, and may you see the blueprint in everything. Peace.